Fight stress and depression with this brain and heart superfood. This dish is one of the most nourishing and wholesome meals you can make. It's especially supportive of brain and heart function, helping to improve clarity, focus, and circulation. When enjoyed regularly alongside other recommended foods, it can also support emotional balance and help ease anxiety and depression over time. This dish is made with entirely natural and wholesome ingredients: 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, cooked with sea salt, 1/3 to half a cup of small raisins, 1½ cups of ground lamb, 1 cup of finely diced pumpkin, 1 large onion, at least 4 tablespoons of brewed saffron, grape vinegar to taste, brown sugar to taste, fresh lemon juice to taste, 100% natural sea salt to taste, and several fresh beet leaves with all stems and roots completely removed. Sauté the finely diced onions and ground lamb in 100% pure extra virgin olive oil over low heat until they're fairly cooked. Then, add the tiny cubes of pumpkin and continue sautéing until everything is gently cooked through and tender. Now, turn off the heat. Lightly mash the cooked chickpeas and add them to the pan along with the raisins. Sprinkle in some sea salt to taste, and give everything a thorough mix until evenly combined. Take as much of the mixture as you want and place it onto 1 or 2 beet leaves, making sure the stems and roots are fully removed. Then, roll or fold the leaves into neat bundles or pouches. Place the stuffed leaves in a pot and pour over them enough liquid to mostly cover. This liquid is a mixture of natural grape vinegar or fresh lemon juice combined with saffron, sea salt, and brown sugar. You can substitute the brown sugar with 100% natural honey if you prefer. Let them simmer for 45 minutes to an hour, then serve and enjoy. The combination of lamb, pumpkin, chickpeas, raisins, vinegar, saffron, sea salt, and beet leaves, with stems and roots removed, is excellent for strengthening the heart and brain. When consumed regularly, it can significantly help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. In our holistic herbal medicine practice with a temperament-based approach, consuming the stems and roots of beet leaves is discouraged, while eating the leaves themselves is highly recommended. The stems and roots of this plant cause an excess of black bile temperament in the body, which, over time, can lead to issues such as itching, constipation, depression, obsessive behaviors, and even more severe complications. Power up your brain, strengthen your heart, beat anxiety naturally. A golden twist on hummus, calming, nourishing, and ideal for both stressful days and times of physical fatigue. These are the ingredients you'll need for this deeply nourishing dish: 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of natural almond butter, 2 tablespoons of concentrated brewed saffron, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 small clove of garlic, optional, natural sea salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and a little chickpea water to adjust the texture. Since most of these ingredients are warm in nature, if you naturally have a warm constitution, or experience symptoms like internal heat, skin irritation, migraine headaches, or liver discomfort, it's best to skip the garlic in this dish. Garlic may also trigger heart palpitations in some individuals. Garlic is a beneficial ingredient with a warm and dry temperament, but those with a naturally warm constitution should consume it with care. Blend all the ingredients thoroughly until smooth and creamy. Add a little more chickpea water or olive oil if needed to reach a soft, spreadable consistency. Now, transfer the creamy saffron hummus into a serving bowl. Drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil on top, and garnish with a few saffron threads for a vibrant, natural finish. This soothing dish is ready to support your mental calm and help ease anxiety and stress naturally. Based on our proven holistic, temperament-based herbal medicine approach that I often talk about, chickpeas, saffron, almonds, natural sea salt, and 100% pure extra virgin olive oil all play an important role in supporting brain and heart health. Plus, when used regularly together, these ingredients can be great natural helpers in easing anxiety and depression. One of the best way to enjoy this dish is with 100% whole wheat bread that has undergone a natural fermentation process. Since it is a cooked meal, pairing it with raw vegetables like cucumber, carrot, celery, and similar is not recommended. According to the principles of this successful holistic medicine, combining cooked and raw foods can disrupt digestion and cause fermentation or spoilage in the digestive system. Eat this dish for early breakfast or during dinner time, as the body's nutrient absorption is higher in the early morning hours and after sunset. Today, we're making one of the healthiest meals for boosting heart health, brain function, and improving anxiety. This plant-based butternut squash and chickpea burger is packed with nutrients that support both your mind and body. Let's get started. First, we'll start with our fresh ingredients. Here we have cooked butternut squash, cooked chickpeas, finely chopped onions, and a few simple spices like sea salt, black pepper, and cumin. We'll also use chickpea flour or oats to help bind everything together. Now, let's combine everything in a large bowl. We want to mix the squash, chickpeas, onions, and spices into a smooth mixture. Once our mixture is ready, we'll take small portions and shape them into round, flat patties. Next, we fry the patties on a pan with a bit of all-natural olive oil. We'll cook them until they're golden brown and a bit crispy on the outside, with a soft and flavorful interior. Finally, we plate our burgers. Arrange them on a plate and garnish with fresh basil, parsley, and green onions for a healthy, vibrant finish. And that's it, a wholesome dish that supports your heart, sharpens your mind, and helps ease anxiety. Just make sure not to use too much spice. Get this valuable ebook for more recipes and plenty of useful info.